Another day, another shot of a crude bomb being carted away to be deactivated. On Thursday, an envelope and pipe bomb similar to this found at a business owned by actor Robert De Niro. Two more devices found in Delaware addressed to former Vice President Joe Biden. The targets are a who's who of the president's critics, the very people the president has personally attacked. Many say this is proof the president has gone too far.
This has come from Trump. Trump has described people who disagree with him as enemies of the people, said people who support the other party are dangerous, hateful, crazy, anti-American. So it's very, very hard to look at this and not lay a fair amount of the blame, both squarely at the foot of Donald Trump, but also at the other Republicans who stood by for years and let this happen.
At first, Donald Trump took a conciliatory tone.
Do you see how nice I'm behaving tonight? This is like, have you ever seen this?
It didn't last long. He sent out a tweet just hours later blaming the mainstream media for the anger in the country. His spokeswoman followed suit.
Is evil an appropriate way to describe?
It's a word that people have used on your network a number of times, not only to describe the president, but many people that work in this administration. Absolutely. Day in, day out, there is a negative tone. 90% of the media attention around this president is negative, despite historic job creations.
His supporters in the media went even further, claiming both sides are to blame.
We're in it together. Do not sit there and point to what the other team did to cause this.
We don't know the perpetrator. We don't know the motivation.
That's really interesting because Hillary Clinton says we can't step aside from the hateful rhetoric until Democrats have bullied their way.
She was talking about policy.
America is a country divided, so much so that even an attempt to carry out the mass killing of the country's political opposition is now seen as something to debate. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.